Dear Adam. Surprised you called me Adam and not Bub, but okay. Right now I'm sitting in a room at the Union Club looking at my wedding dress and picturing walking down the aisle.
You take it down your dress, you put it on. There's no tags or anything in there, right?
No, it should just be totally like...
Don't you even think of giving up?
This weekend has already been so magical, with the best yet to come. I feel like I'm living in a dream, and I'm doing my best to take it all in.
No, you're fine. You're supposed to be here.
Don't you even think of giving up?
Generally not slouched at all, but like when you stand up straight, the dress just looks amazing. Yeah, it looks like, you know, like
Don't you even think of giving up?
It's so weird not to see you, and I cannot wait to see you. Oh, her handwriting's as bad as mine.
Don't you even say you're hard enough?
I know this isn't the most eloquent right now, but it's hard to communicate my happiness and excitement. You're the love of my life, and I cannot believe how lucky I am to have found you.
Don't you even Don't you even say you're hard enough?
Oh, so beautiful. Wow, Megan, I love the dress. It looks so pretty, so beautiful. Wow, I give you a kiss, but you just had 6 hours of makeup, so I'm not going to mess anything up. I'm so excited for you. Okay, good. This is great. She looks amazing. She looks like a beautiful bride.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Don't you even say
I know it will be a beautiful next chapter with you by my side. I can't wait to see you soon. All my love, almost Miss Megan Brand.
Don't you even say
I mean, it's real, it's happening, so we're almost there. I think that's the first time I saw her name written down as Megan Brand with her handwriting, which is very special.
you're hard enough?
Adam, there aren't enough words for me to express deeply enough the gratitude I have for how you make me feel unconditionally loved and supported. I love that we can have deep conversations about life and human nature and our dreams. I truly treasure these talks. I also love the small moments. Holding your hand on a walk, waking up next to you, sitting in silence. You've taught me how to embrace life's uncertainty because I know that through life's ups, downs, and in-betweens, we always have each other to lean on.
Community from generation to generation. Say to your children, may God bless you. We have to celebrate the future.
These words still seem insufficient to describe my feelings, but we have a lifetime together for me to keep trying to convey them. I love you.
Oh my god.
Let's go for the ride. Let's do that. Puzzle time!
It seems my light's been swallowed up. I've used up every ounce of luck. I need to leap into the fire, find a higher power, and reach for something new. I need somewhere that's safe to run. It can't just be with anyone. It's got to be with you. It's got to be with you.